This is the story of how I died.
Reach for the sky. Settle over the settle over the head over the settle over the settle for the settle here reach for the sky settle here for the settle here for the settle.
I brought my built-in dog. Well, I brought my dinosaur. You're going to bark.
Coast is clear. Coast is clear. You guys think this is a big joke. I'm getting replaced. I'm worried.
What's going on down there? Is he losing his marbles?
Well, obviously.
Pardon me. I hate to break up the staff meeting, but...
Buzz-looking alien!
Where?
Ah!
Put him in back. Yeah, you put him in back. Yeah, you put him in back.
Plus is positive, minus is negative. Oh, let me.
Take that, Zerg. Quick, make a space. This is where the spaceship lands.
Star Command, come in. Do you read me? Why don't they answer?
My ship!
Blast. Ooh, my ship has crash landed on a strange planet. And there seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.
Hello there.
Watch yourself. Miles, who goes there?
Don't shoot. It's okay. Friends.
Do you know these life forms?
Yes. They're
life forms. You tiny little life forms.
I am Buzz Lightyear. I come in peace. Buzz.
Boy. Oh, why? Boy.
Excuse me. I think the word you're searching for is...
Mrs. Nesbit.
The word I'm searching for, I can't say because there's...
Getting tense, aren't you? Mr. Lightyear, now I'm curious. What does a space ranger actually do?
I can fly.
No.
Lord, I can fly.
Oh, he can't fly. Listen, stop.
Are you saying you want to lodge a complaint with Star Command?
Oh, yeah? Tough guy?
How dare you talk about my socks? And you, my friend, are responsible for delaying that bonding strip.